Hi, my name is Corey DeSimone. I'm an artist and a teacher, and I'm here to tell you how you can make your picture look clear and pretty. The materials you will need for this are a digital photo and a computer with Photoshop. Sometimes our digital photos don't come out just the way we want them, but there's a few things we can do using Adobe Photoshop that will make them look better. The first step is to open the photo that you want to modify in Photoshop. The second step is to modify the contrast levels by going to Adjustments and then clicking on Contrast Levels and toying around with them until your image looks the way you want it to. The third step is to modify the color temperature of your photograph. To make the image look warmer or cooler, you'll want to go to Image, Adjustments, and Photo Filter. Once you're there, use the drop-down menu to pick different presets, or use the color drop-down menu to change the color altogether. I'm Corey DeSimone, and that's one way that you can make your photograph look clear and pretty.